Morning. Today I am going to discuss fundamental force of nature and their interaction in the evolution of the universe. There are four fundamental interactions in nature that can be found. They are not derived from any other force or interaction, such as strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force, gravitational force, and electromagnetic force. The strong nuclear force acts in between the uh, nucleus in forming the nucleus of the atom, while weak nuclear force acts to disintegrate the radioactive nucleus and make the isotopes. The weak force and strong force have the particle for exchange. Imagine W and Z boson. The gravitational force acts among the mass particles and form the gravitational force, and the exchange particle is the graviton. And the electromagnetic radiation acts between some charged particle like electron, proton, or electron, and the exchange particle is the photon. So these fundamental forces, among these forces, the strong is the strong nuclear force, and they have very short range, and the weakest is the gravitational force, and it has the more less magnitude, but the range is very large. So these four interaction is actually making the whole universe interacting. From the very beginning of the creation, these forces are making the planets, satellites, and the particle exchange for making the whole universe in evolving with time. So how we see the universe now, it was not like that from the very beginning of the civilization. It is evolving, and what we see now, maybe we could not be able to see in the future. That is, the planet will change their shape and size, and the whole universe may have some more features that are not possible to see before. So we can say that these fundamental forces of nature are making the whole universe interacting with the energy and particles. For example, the quarks. We cannot able to see the quark before. Now we see the quark uh, up, chart, top, down, strange, bottom, and their exchange particle are the energy particle are bosons like photon, gluons, WZ bosons. And how these quarks is actually interacting with the whole nature is very much interesting. Thank you.